What's up, everybody? It's your boy. So today I got the motorcycle stand. I got the motorcycle stand assembled. It's right there. Motorcycle. All I'm waiting for now is the spoon lever for the tire, so I can take off the tire from the rims. That's all I'm doing right now. I'm just waiting for that, the spoon lever, and hopefully we have a good weather. Oh, it's kind of really bad weather outside. It's kind of cold. So that's all I've been waiting for. My fucking room is kind of dirty a little bit. I got all my shoes over there. Those are my shoe collection. Brand new. Probably like 5 brand new shoes I never wear. And I got more over there. That's about it, yeah. So hopefully I got this fixed up and running. And I'll be on the road, yeah. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, yeah.